Hello everyone, today we're talking about the principle of art balance, and I want to focus on symmetrical balance and asymmetrical balance. So you saw two slides that showed examples of symmetrical and asymmetrical balance, but I just wanted to go into a little more detail to make sure you understand the differences and what they are. So I'm going to fold my paper in half to create a line of symmetry down the middle. So I'm going to be balancing things on either side of my line of symmetry. Now, symmetrical balance, as you saw on the seesaw example, is the same thing on either side. But it's not just the same thing, meaning a circle or a line or a color on this side matching up with the same thing on this side. It also has to do with the placement. If you imagine like a butterfly's wings, you want to make sure that when you fold your paper, if you're creating symmetrical balance, that whatever you do on the left matches exactly with what you do on the right, meaning that they would touch and line up as you folded your paper on the line of symmetry. So let's take a practice. If I draw a circle here and I'm trying to create symmetrical balance, where would I draw my other circle? Would it be here? This circle's close to this edge, and this circle's close to this edge. Is that symmetrical balance? They're both circles and they're both blue. Let's check. If I fold my paper, did my circles touch? No, that's not right. I have to draw my circle here. That way, when I fold my paper in half, my circles touch. That is symmetrical balance. Let's try again with a line. I'm going to draw a line here on my page. Where do I have to draw the line on this side to create symmetrical balance? Do I draw it here? No, that won't work. How about here? Let's see. Again, let's check. My circles are touching, and it looks like my lines are touching too. That means I have symmetrical balance. And again, asymmetrical balance, like on the seesaw example, means that the objects don't have to be the same on either side, the lines, shapes, colors, or forms, but they have to visually weigh the same. If you imagine on that scale example, two kids could weigh the same amount as one adult. It just has to be visually balanced. Today, your challenge is going to be to color a butterfly using symmetry. It may help you to fold your paper in half to give yourself a line of symmetry. You don't want to draw the line down it, but you could fold it, and then you can always check by folding your paper to touch. Now I have a purple here and purple here. I have blue here and blue here and turquoise here and turquoise here. I'm going to add orange here. And notice when I color, I outline the shape I'm coloring first and then color it in. Where on my butterfly do I have to add orange? Remember, you can check by folding it, or you can check by counting. If my purple one's here, I have 1, 2, 3 blank spaces and then my orange. So I can come to this side and count 1, 2, 3 blank spaces, and then I know to color this one orange. You all may practice a little bit with this with your teacher on the board before you start. There are color pencils, crayons, and markers on your tables. Please be sure to clean up neatly and make sure all the caps are on the markers when you're done. I will ask the substitute teacher to please collect these so I can look at how you did on your symmetry coloring challenge today. I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next week.